What up, guys? We're back. I have a creepy mustache and my hair is doing its own thing. But that's not going to stop us from making more randomly word-generated stickers. We're going to put, our heads together, make a sticker out of some random words, make it a sticker, and then see whose is better. You ready?
Yes.
All right, let's get it.
You must feel rather funky here.
Surprisingly, this one was harder than the corn one, right?
Surprisingly,
Our drawings are,
not good.
yeah, I mean, they're out there, so bear with us. Let me go print them as stickers now.